What's up, discount divas and dudes? Back with another video. In today's video, I did some awesome deals, y'all, at Walgreens. The $10 P&G rewards are popping, but it is some stuff that you can do to totally make mistakes, and I'm here to share it with you because I'm going to show y'all the right way. I'm going to show y'all the wrong way, what to get, what not to get. So listen to me because I did this morning and ran into some errors, and I'm here to share it with you. But before we get into this video, like, comment, share, subscribe, turn on your post notifications so you don't miss out, so you won't miss out. And to all my new subscribers, hey, hello, how y'all doing? And to all my returning subscribers, y'all already know the deal. So let's get into this crazy video. And I mean, it's just crazy, y'all, but you can come up and get the most out of your stockpile with this Walgreens deal that's going on right now. So let's get into it. Okay, y'all, here are the items that I got from Walgreens. And these are like the first two. And I want to show y'all the right way, which is these items, and the wrong way, which is these items. Okay, some items, y'all, are when you scan them in on the Walgreens app, it is saying that it'll say get $15 back if you spend 45. Wrong. Some items are saying that, but when you go to check out, it is not giving you your register rewards, are not the right ones to be exact. And then it's saying spend 45, but you can actually spend $30 and get back $10. The $10 reward, which is this right here, and I brung one home for proof. And at that point, I was tired of doing transactions, so I just was like, let me get out of this store. Okay, we are going to be discussing this right now. And plus, something's going on with the Walgreens app. Coupons is like not attaching to the right items and everything, and I will be showing y'all my receipt with that on it as well. But the gang, y'all, is $15.99. We have a $3 off, making it $12.99. And that coupon was not showing up for some reason. It was showing me like two big fabric softeners. So just all the gang coupons you have, clip them. All the tag coupons you have, clip them. Then the other gang was $15.99, and I had I guess a $3 came off of that as well, making it $12.99. Then the Tide right here is on sale for $12.99. $1.55 came off, making it $11.44. And with this Tide, y'all, it's supposed to be a $3 attaching, but we do have, well, I do have $1.55 what is that, tag coupon, but it's not for the correct size. It's supposed to be for the $5.49 size. So we are gonna get into that in a minute. But the total was $44.97 after coupons, and you get your $10 register reward back. It's making that transaction $27.42, making each item $9.14 each, which isn't bad at all, because these are originally what, 15.99 when not on sale, and the gain is originally $17.99 when not on sale. So I got these down to $9. Now let me show y'all the receipt. Okay, y'all, here is the receipt. And then if you look a little down, like right here are my coupons. See, it's saying $2, $3, and $1.55. And I don't know where that $1.55 came from, because like I said, Gain does not have $1.55 coupon, only the small Tide, and that's the only thing I can think of. But that's my receipt right here, and you see right here, Gain 15.99, Gain 15.99, Tide Oxy 12.99. So yeah, but like I said, y'all, the receipt is, well, the app is doing some wonky things. So yeah, y'all, I do not know. And if you look down too, you'll see store credit, and that's because the first order I did, which was 2 gains and 4 of the Dawn dishwashing liquid, it did not work with that either, and that's before I found out what items to scan, because some lady showed me while I was in the store, which was very nice of her. And even though, like I said, some of them will show up with that 45 and 15 back, that is false, because some items is not printing out the register rewards. Okay, y'all, here is the wrong transaction to do. Okay, when I scanned these Olay body washes, they said that they were a go, which they were not. And I had got a Tide Pods back there, the 57 count, and the Free and Gentle. These two are okay to do, but not the Olay. But we can still talk about the transaction. The Tide Pods were $15.99 with a $3 off, making them $12.99. The Tide Free and Gentle was $12.99 with a $3 off, making it $9.99. And the Olay, they are $7 each. So 3 times 7, that is $21. We have a $5 coupon attaching, making these $16. The total for these items was $49.98. After coupons made it $38.98. Get back your and then you get back your $5 register rewards, and then it's making each item $6.79 each, which isn't bad also. So like I said, if you're not really looking for the register reward, and more so, yeah, I did get a $5 register reward back with this, y'all. That's what I meant to tell y'all. It wasn't this one, but it was a $5 one, and that's not the one that I really wanted. So I mean, I didn't complain about that, because it was a lot of trial and error, and the cashier, she took me at um the photo section, just so we could have time to ring up stuff without people, well, other customers wanted to be checked out and all of that. So we went back there, and like I said, it was trial and error. So let me show y'all my other 2 transactions. Okay, y'all, here are the other 2 transactions. We gonna start off with this. This one was kind of weird too, because the Gains did not have a coupon attaching, only the Tide. So the 2 gains was $31.98. The Tide was $12.99 with a $3 digital, making it $9.99. The total was $44.97. Um, Oh, and I used a $10 register reward. So it made it drop down to $31.97. I got back $10 register rewards with this transaction, making the final total $21.97. Are each item $7.32 each. So yeah, that's why I said that Walgreens app is acting up right now. But your best bet is just to basically focus on the laundry detergent. Don't try to add nothing else until you see basically a video of somebody confirming that they put something else in the mix or something and got that reward. But the next transaction is the Tide. This one was real weird because one of these items had a $5 attachment, and I don't remember having a $5 coupon for any of these items. All these items should have had a $3 coupon to it. But hey, I cannot complain, and I will show y'all the receipt for this transaction as well. The Tide was $12.99, and we had a $3 off, making it $9.99. The Tide Pods were $15.99. Had a $5 off, making it $10.99. And the gain was $15.99 with a $3 off, making it $12.99. The total was $44.97. And after the coupons dropped it down to $33.97, get back $10 register rewards, making the final cost $23.97 or $7.99 each. Can't complain about that. Now let me show y'all the coupon. Not the coupon, the receipt to this. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm tired. I only been to sleep 3 hours, but besides the point, let me show y'all the receipt so y'all can see where that $5 coupon was on there. Okay, here are my items. You see the regular tab for $12.99, the game for $15.99, the Tide Pods for $15.99, and you see the coupons. So I don't know what a CPN. Matter of fact, it wasn't a coupon. I'm so sorry. I'm tired, y'all. The CPN, it was the $5 register reward that I used, and the Tide and the other Tide had them 2, 3. So the game did not have a coupon. Okay, my bad, y'all. I'm sorry. But I did get a register reward back with this transaction as well. And basically, I was just flipping the register rewards, doing like the same, almost the same transaction. But yeah, I'm sorry. The CPN, that is a register reward, and the ECPN is the online coupon. So totally messed up. But yeah, the game did not have a coupon, and the two Tides did. Now I'm gonna show y'all the last item that I had paid for with the register rewards. So let me show y'all that, and then we are gonna end this video. And I hope y'all are gonna be able to get out and get some of this Tide, especially for my viewers who are trying to get them a stockpile together. This is a lovely chance to go in there, grab 3 laundry products. You can grab 3 gains, 3 Tides, or whatever the case may be. But do not get the $9.99 gain either. It does not work. Tried it. I tried it too with the 2 gains. I tried 2 gains and the $9.99 gain. It was a no-go. So it's only working on the Tide Pods, the Tide Liquid, and the big gains for what I know so far. But don't quote me on that. But I tried a Crest product, and I tried Olay and didn't get my register rewards. So don't do that if you want to get this detergent, or if you want to get that $10 register reward. Okay, y'all, here is the last transaction, and I was just showing y'all this 4 for 10. It came up to $10 and I think 84 cents. I used one of those $10 register rewards that I got back and paid the $10 and only had to pay 84 cents out of pocket. And there is my receipt. See, the MFGN, well, the CPN, $10 came off, and it says subtotal 0, but I had to pay the tax, which was right here, 84 cents. So I will take these for 84 cents any day. And then y'all, this Dine, they have these 4 for 16. And actually, one of the transactions I did too was got 4 of these, and the 9.99 gain and the 15.99 gain did not work either, and that order was $40 even. So even if you just want laundry detergent and dishwashing liquid and not worried about the price, you can get 4 of these. Get you a 9.99 gain. It don't matter if it's the flings or the liquid, and then get you a big gain for 15.99. And if all your coupons is clipped and everything, it should be $40 even. But yeah, that's why I still got this, because I actually returned those items, and for some reason it wouldn't return one of them. Don't know why, but I told her I'll just go ahead and keep it. So don't even worry about it. But yes, y'all, that is the end of my video. Like it on up, comment, subscribe, share, and turn on your post notifications. And I hope to all my Walgreens shoppers, y'all see this and are able to get out, do the deal correctly, get your register reward back, and have a nice day. And until next time, I will see y'all later. I'm out, y'all. Peace. It's connected to you.